Alright guys, here I'm going to show you guys how the Meguiar's Scratch 2.0 works out here. I have some really good scratches. I don't know if you guys could see. Let's try and make this light a little bit. But I got some good ones right in there. They go all the way alongside the car. Right down there. Down below. Over here by the light. See all those scratches? You can make them disappear. So there's a lot of products out there that are actually pretty good. But Meguiar's are pretty well known, and they're pretty top brand, so I just buy the best of everything when I can. But I have used other products before, and they work as well as this one. Let's take a look here. It's for fine scratches and blemishes remover. Now I tried using this by hand, and it doesn't work as great by hand. But when I use this little buffer wheel, it works awesome. You're done within seconds, where by hand you have at least like 2 minutes to get close to the results this will do in a few seconds. First, what you want to do is clean up the surface. So I got some normal soap here and water, and I'll just spray where I'm going to be buffering, and just wipe this down. Mainly I just don't want any type of sand or dirt on the body of the car when I do this, because I'm going to make the scratches worse with the tool. Alright, I think you could actually probably see the scratches a little bit more this way. Can you see them? Alright, so let's focus on this area right here. Alright, so first what you want to do, if you have a pad like this is great. Pop this open, it's a little creamy. Drop it down on your pad like so. That's about how much you want to put on there. Alright, and then you want to apply it to the surface. So you want to get your pad right in here. I like to start a slow speed and light. I don't like to push hard at all. Alright, and there you have it. What you want to do is make sure at least all the product is gone from there. You don't want it too dry, because you don't want to scratch the car when it's dry. And then just wipe it off, and boom, scratches are gone. What do you think about that? Alright guys, so what I got is I got some scratches going over here, going straight across. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. I mean, I could see it really good from where I'm sitting. But let's see if we could get it. Alright, so now what I want to do is, just like I showed you guys before, you get your Meguiar's Scratch 2.0, put on your little buffer pad. I try and get it in all those 4 little pockets. Now I have different pads, and they'll have different openings, but I kind of like this one the best. It's been working good for me here. And what you want to do is you want to start slow and spread this creamy stuff around. Spread it wide so you can actually cover a larger area and not waste any product. And then as it starts getting in there, I kind of speed it up, as you guys saw from earlier. So let's go ahead and see if we can knock this out here real quick. So what I'm doing is basically I'm covering the area that I'm going to be working in, and I feel that this, for the amount of product I have on this should cover a good amount. And I could be wrong, you know, I'm not an expert in this, but this is what I see that works. And then what I do is I keep going over it until the film starts decreasing, until all I see is the color. And like I said, you don't want to keep doing it until it dries up, because you can scratch the paint on the car. All right, and then majority of my scratches were alongside here. As you can see, a lot of scratches are gone. Well, actually, I don't even see any scratches, but I want to go over the area one more time. I do have some scratches here over the handle, but the problem that I have is that I worked on this area first. I'll probably do over the handle next. I want to work in small areas, because if I work in such a big area, I'm probably going to miss a few things. So I originally had some good scratches here, so I'm just going to go over this really good. And then I'm going to see if I could slide over the handle here. And you can see the scratch starting here and it actually goes straight across. And you see the difference. You can see the scratch here and it's not even here. Look at that. Not even wiped this down yet. And then you can see how much clearer it is. All right, hopefully you guys are getting those scratches really good on there. Let me try moving the light a little bit. All right, well, you had a good shot earlier here. Let me, I still got some product on here. As you can see, it starts hardening up. I don't have my air compressor on right now, but from what I've been watching online is that you want to hit this with your air compressor time to time to shoot off any hard products, any dust, anything that might fall on there. So I'm going to hit this area one more time real quick, and I got some other scratches, but I'm not going to bore you with those. I pretty much showed you that right now, like, you know, the product I like is the Meguiar Scratch 2.0. And like I said, there's other products that work just as best as this. You know, this is not a promotion for Meguiar's at all. This is just a product that I like. And I'm sure there's plenty out there. So if you like what you see, leave a comment down below. Subscribe. There's going to be a lot more videos coming up. And thanks for watching. Blue Line Garage. Peace out.